Hi there. Would you like to see how the future simple tense is used in practice? Great. This is how you do it. 1. Watch this video, and before each part, 1 to 3, check if you know all of the words and phrases from the list. 2. If you don't, you can use our Quizlet course to learn them. It is available in 6 languages and it's for free. 3. If you know all of the words and phrases, just listen to the stories. This way, you will practice the future simple tense, vocabulary, and listening skills. Are you ready? Let's start. Part 1. Future simple. I think that tomorrow I will. Story 1.
Alex, 23 years old, USA. What are my plans for tomorrow? That's a good question. I don't have any plans. I don't have to go to work, so I think that I will stay at home in the morning and relax. I will probably wake up around 9 o'clock, eat breakfast in bed, and take a long shower. I will go for a walk in the park with my dog Teddy. We will probably spend 2 hours there because Teddy loves running and playing with other dogs. At home, I will cook dinner for myself and my girlfriend. I hope that she will love it. After dinner, we will watch a movie or play one of our favorite board games.
Story 2.
Agnes, 32 years old, France. I think that I will visit my grandma tomorrow. I promised to do it last week, but I didn't have time. Perhaps I will go to her house after work, and I will surprise her. I am sure that she will be very happy. She loves to see me. We will sit in the garden, drink tea, and talk. She will take an old photo album and show me photos of herself when she was a teenager. She often does it when I visit her, so she will probably do it again. Maybe she will tell me some stories too. They are always so fascinating. Then, we will eat dinner together and watch Grandma's favorite TV show. I don't really like it, but I will watch it for her.
Story 3.
Stacy, 41 years old, England. I think that it will be really hot again tomorrow, so I will probably go to Brighton. I will prepare lunch, take it with me, and have a picnic on the beach. I will also take a book or a few magazines, and I'll read them. After that, I will swim in the lake and lie on the beach. It will be perfect. Maybe I will go shopping after that because I need to buy new jeans. My old jeans are too big for me now. I will probably try on a few pairs, and I will choose 1 or 2.
The end of Part 1. Part 2. Future simple. I think that this weekend I will. Story 4.
Paulina, 21 years old, Poland. Do I have any plans for the weekend? Well, not really. I think that I will call my best friend Anita and ask her what she wants to do. Maybe we will go to the cinema because there is a new movie that we would like to see. Or perhaps we will meet for dinner at our favorite restaurant. Maybe we will organize a spa night at my house. We will drink some wine, paint each other's nails, and watch Friends. I think that we will also sing and dance because that is what we often do together. I hope that my neighbors will be okay with it.
Story 5.
Aaron, 43 years old, USA. I am not sure what to do this weekend. I think that I will go to the zoo with my kids because they asked me for it last week. I think that they will love it. They will have a chance to learn something new there, and that is great. We will probably take cute pictures of the animals and have lots of fun. After a whole day at the zoo, the kids will probably be really tired. I will probably be even more tired than them. Maybe we will go to the little ice cream shop near our house and buy some delicious chocolate ice cream. I'm sure that it will make us feel better. It always works.
Story 6.
Andy, 29 years old, Canada. I think that I will stay at home this weekend. My friend Kelsey wants to go to a party with me on Saturday, but I don't think that I will go. I really need to relax after a difficult week at work, so I will probably sleep as long as possible. I will take a long, relaxing bath, eat my favorite breakfast, and I will probably exercise for an hour or two. Perhaps I'll run or go to the gym. Maybe I will finally do some cleaning in the house too. I will clean the windows, wash the dishes, and vacuum the carpets. That doesn't sound like fun, but I think that I will have to do it.
The end of Part 2. Part 3. Future simple. I think that this summer vacation I will. Story 7.
Emily, 21 years old, USA. I think I will go to Colorado this summer. I love water sports and adventure parks, so it is a perfect place for someone like me to visit. I will go kayaking in Aspen. Maybe I will ride a zip line across the Colorado River as well. It looks like so much fun. I think I will go to the adventure park in Glenwood too. There are so many places that I would love to visit in Colorado. After all these trips, I will probably visit my Aunt Dorothy. She lives in Denver, and I only see her once or twice a year. Perhaps we will go to a concert or two because we love the same music. We always have a lot of fun together.
Story 8.
Georgia, 30 years old, Germany. I don't have plans for this summer vacation. I would like to go somewhere warm and sunny, but I am not sure where. Maybe I will travel to Spain and visit my sister Mandy. She lives in Barcelona with her husband, Scott, and their kids. We will probably go to the beach every day and enjoy the sun. I will practice surfing. Scott is a great surfer, so he will watch and teach me. Perhaps he and Mandy will take me to a few local restaurants, and I will try real Spanish food. I think that I'll go sightseeing as much as possible too. I love learning about history and culture.
Story 9.
Lara, 16 years old, Slovenia. I will probably go to London this summer. I will find a language school and learn English for 2 months. I'll have to talk to my parents about it, but I hope that they will agree and let me go. Isn't it a great idea? I think it is. I will meet people from many different countries. Perhaps I will make some new friends. I'll hear how English people speak in real life, not just in films. I love the British accent, and I hope that I will speak like that one day. There are so many cool things to do in London. Maybe I will have a picnic in Hyde Park, I will visit the Madame Tussauds Museum and see all the amazing animals at the Sea Life Aquarium.
The end of part 3. Great job completing all of the stories. Well done. You've practiced the future simple tense, vocabulary, and listening skills. Remember to review the words and phrases you've learned. Continue learning with our stories. Happy learning!